Anhui Clean Energy Company Limited. LD for short is an enterprise that produces and sells various seamless steel cylinders and composite liner gas cylinders such as compressed natural gas cylinders for vehicles, industrial gas cylinders, fire cylinders, etc. The company is committed to providing automotive green energy solutions, programs, and related environmental protection services. The company was established in 2009 and entered the economic development zone of Taihu County, Anhui Province in 2014, and built a standardized factory covering an area of 50,000 square meters. For more than 10 years, LD has focused on the research and development and production of various gas cylinders, with a total global sales volume of up to 2 million. The company currently has 6 gas cylinder spinning production lines, 3 heat treatment quenching and tempering lines, as well as machining, spraying and winding production lines, 1 LPG production line, with an annual production capacity of 360,000 gas cylinders. It can produce industrial seamless steel cylinders, CNG cylinders type 1 divided by 2 divided by 3, 4, fire cylinders, LPG gas cylinders, respirators, and other products. After years of business development, the LD gas cylinder brand has gained a high reputation in the market. The sales network covers Asia, Europe, and the Americas. The products are exported to Italy, Brazil, Iran, Thailand, India, and Uzbekistan, more than 50 countries and regions. Since 2018, LD gas cylinders has gradually become a qualified supplier of Foton, Dongfeng, Cherry, Shaanxi Automobile, and other automobile factories.